Hello everyone, welcome back to Toothsome morsel. Today we are going to see a simple snack recipe on my channel, that's falafel. Falafel was originated from Egypt. It is a commonly known snack in Middle East. It's full of herbs and spices blended with chickpeas. It's best to go with the hummus dip. Let's have a look at the ingredients we require to make falafel. Here I have taken chickpeas 1 cup soaked overnight, onion 1 medium sized roughly chopped, oil for deep frying the falafels, 5 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, salt according to taste, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, parsley 1 cup. If you don't have parsley, you can even add coriander leaves. Both look similar. You can make out the difference only by touching or smelling it. It has a slightly thick texture. All the ingredients are given below. In the description box, do check out. Now here I have taken a mixing bowl. To it add chickpeas, parsley, garlic and green chilies, onions, cumin seeds, salt, coriander powder, baking soda and lemon juice. Now let's give a good mix to all the ingredients. Now transfer the mixture to a blender. And blend it to a coarse mixture. Make sure the mixture is not too fine, just keep it coarse. Now that's how the mixture should be. It holds the shape. Here I have heated the oil in the kadai. We need to deep fry the falafels. Now make them into your desired shape, that cylindrical, donut shape or just a round ball shape. I like them to be in a round ball shape, so making them into balls and deep fry them. Make sure to leave the falafels as low as you can. If not, they might lose their shape. Fry them until they are nice and golden. It gives a crispy texture outside and a good green color inside. Make sure to flip them very carefully. They are nice golden and crispy now. Let's take them out. Now we will repeat the procedure with the remaining mixture and fry them until they are nice golden and crispy. Again, make sure to flip them very carefully, if not they might lose their shape, they might even break down. The falafels are ready to be served hot with the hummus dip. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like the recipe, do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, and do give it a try and share your experience with us in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. See you soon with my next recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.